It's not a phone, what can I say? But this one is gonna be interesting because this is Oneplus Nord. Let's get to it. It's wrapped in this styrofoam packaging and I can see it coming out. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. It's here. Oh my god. That's beautiful. You can see the display is dead. It is not really cracked. There's only this chip and one tiny crack, but it is dead. The back side is cracked, kinda. I don't know if I'm gonna swap that or keep it. And the sides, bottom is fine, but the top, yeah. Can you see that? The top's really damaged. We got the display, so let's just box it, check it out. And I also ordered another glue. They included a free screen protector. This is the display in here, so let's crack that open. Alright. I taped it back on, but it's already disassembled, as you can see. Okay. Same tray. We got the top plastics. Let's unplug the battery before I forget it. Okay, it's plugged in. Battery is too low, so it is working. Okay, yep. And it's been hard reset. I have an update. I was able to fully activate the phone, so now I'm gonna test it out, test everything out. And yeah, it was hard reset, so I had to message the person I bought it from for the pin, because it wanted a pin. And what I noticed as well is that this screen is not really the highest quality, because there's the chin on the bottom is quite big, but that's not an issue. But on the top here, there's this little black bar. Is larger than the cameras. It is covering a piece of the clock, so that's kinda stupid. But yeah, now I'm gonna test everything out, and if everything works, I'm gonna take it apart again and glue the display on properly. I have reassembled everything, and it appears to be working. Oh. That's beautiful.